Mark your calendars. Family Emergency Preparedness Day is coming up on Saturday, September 13th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Brecknock Park in Camden. It's a free event co-sponsored by the Division of Public Health, DEMA, and community partners. This is your chance to learn how to make a plan, build a kit, and stay informed during emergencies. Families can enjoy live demonstrations, interactive exhibits, and even free giveaways while supplies last. Experts will show you how to put together a one-week supply with food, water, medications, first aid supplies, flashlights, batteries, and phone chargers. You'll also learn how to sign up for the Delaware Emergency Notification System so you can receive urgent alerts straight to your phone or email. It's a fun and practical way to get your family ready for emergencies. Don't miss Family Emergency Preparedness Day, Saturday, September 13th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. For more information, visit preparede.org. The Delaware Fall Prevention Team is offering fall risk screening events in September and October for adults ages 50 and older. The screenings are free and open to the public. Broken bones, head injuries, and disabilities can result from falls. Such long-term impacts can hinder a person's ability to maintain their independence, mobility, and ability to participate in the activities of daily living. A fall risk screening is a 30-minute assessment of balance, mobility, vision, and health. No pre-registration is required for the screening events, which are being held on September 26th from 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. at the Modern Maturity Center, West Conference Room, 1121 Forrest Avenue in Dover, and on October 10th from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. at the Milford Senior Center, 111 Park Avenue in Milford.
Kent County Environmental Health Field Services Office within the Division of Public Health is looking for a plumbing inspector to help ensure plumbing systems across the county are safe, compliant, and reliable. This is your chance to play a vital role in protecting the health and safety of Delaware residents. Apply online by 11:59 p.m., September 10, 2025, at the link in the video description.